Hi students, in today's video I am going to explain aromatic compounds. In previous video what are aromatic compounds I had explained. It should be cyclic, planar, continuous conjugation and obeys Huckel's rule. So part 1, introduction part, organic part 1, I have introduced aromatic compounds, and the coming days I am going to do anti-aromatic, non-aromatic compounds also, detailed explanation. But simply you can remember which is having benzene ring, all are aromatic compounds. Which is having benzene ring, all are aromatic compounds. It all satisfy the Huckel's rule and cyclic, planar and continuous conjugation, all the rules. Now let's begin first some most important compounds which we are using frequently in examination, and when you are in first year these questions also they are asking at especially advanced program. What is phenol and aniline? Aniline, what is the IUPAC name? Phenol IUPAC names, benzaldehyde IUPAC names. For that I am explaining all these compounds to you. This is benzene. This is benzene. Its molecular formula is C6H6. Most of the students have idea about this one. This is benzene, C6H6. This is OH. Hydroxybenzene. OH group we call it as hydroxybenzene. This is like a prefix name. This is suffix name we are writing. Hydroxybenzene. This is what we call it as general. Common name is phenol. And this is aminobenzene. This is IUPAC name is aminobenzene. And what is the common name? Aniline. Next one, C double bond OH. This is what we call it as benzaldehyde. Aldehyde is the chain terminating functional group, highest priority. So benzaldehyde. And here benzene you can take it as a prefix. 2-benzene carbaldehyde. 2-benzene carbaldehyde. Okay. Now next one, another compounds. Nearly 25 examples I made, students. Benzoic acid. So benzene carboxylic acid. Benzoic acid. Benzene carboxylic acid. Next this is benzene SO3H. Benzene sulfonic acid. Next one, methyl benzene. Methyl benzene is IUPAC name. Methyl benzene common name is toluene. And this is what? Ethyl benzene. This is ethyl benzene. IUPAC name also same thing. This is next one. This is also one of the frequently asking question, that is anisole. Anisole. Methoxybenzene. OCH3. OCH3. What we call it as methoxy. This is methyl, only methyl group, CH3 group. Here along with methyl, oxygen also there. What we call it as benzene. Methoxybenzene. Clear, students? That's it. Now common name. What is the common name? Anisole. And one more name, methyl. This is methyl, this is phenyl, this is ether. ROR linkage, or else AR, this oxygen linkage we call it as ethers. Next, this is phenitol. Common name is phenitol. This is ethyl phenyl ether. Don't call here benzene. This is phenyl group. Phenyl group. Okay, that's one. This is phenyl linkage. Okay, this is only benzene ring, only ring like this, then we call it as benzene, but it has substituent like this linkage, we call it as phenyl. So ethyl phenyl ether, or else we call it as ethoxybenzene. Okay, now next one, styrene. So CH double bond CH2, benzene ring, CH double bond CH2, we call it as vinyl benzene or styrene. This is cumene, isopropyl benzene, isopropyl. So isopropyl is nothing but CH3CH. This is what we call it as isopropyl group. Isopropyl group. Here benzene ring, just they added benzene ring. Benzene ring we'll write phenyl also, pH group. pH group also you can write, both are same. This is what we call it as cumene. And next one NO2, nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene, IUPAC name, common name. Next one halobenzene. X is nothing but halogen. Here chlorine means chlorobenzene, bromine means bromobenzene, iodine means iodobenzene. Now next one. Two methyl groups. Only one methyl group is there. We call it as methylbenzene. But two methyl groups are there. So two methyl groups is there. See students, here what we call it as xylenes, xylene family, two methyl groups. This is orthoxylene. So to understand more better, I am giving one important point students. For benzene ring, this is benzene ring, some group is there here, group A. With respect to A, I am speaking, this is second position, this is third position, this is fourth position. Second position we call it as ortho position, and third position we call it as meta position, and fourth position we call it as para positions with respect to this group. And even this one also, here 5 and this is 6, no, 1 2 3 4 5 6, even sixth position also ortho position, very next positions, and fifth position also meta positions, and 1 and 4 para position. With respect to this means you can talk like this, or else 1 4 positions para positions. Now see orthoxylene. Orthoxylene, 1,2 dimethyl benzene, we call it as orthoxylene. If you look into this one, this is also two methyl groups, no, xylene family only. Metaxylene, see third position means metaxylene, 1,3 dimethyl benzene. This is paraxylene 1 4. Now next one, two OH groups on benzene ring, catechol. This is what is this common name, most important one, catechol. And 1 2 dihydroxybenzene, we call it as catechol. 1 3 dihydroxybenzene, we call it as resorcinol. And 1 4 dihydroxybenzene, we call it as quinol. Okay. Now next one. Next important one is, yes, salicylaldehyde, orthohydroxy. This is C. With respect to, this is the chain terminating functional group. This is the highest priority. This is 1 and first position. This is second position. So 2-hydroxybenzene carbaldehyde. 2-hydroxybenzene carbaldehyde. Okay. So or else with respect to this, this is the ortho position. We call it as orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. Common name is salicylaldehyde. Salicylaldehyde. Okay. So now this is this position, this one, this carbon we have to give first one, first numbering, and next one is second carbon, third, 4 5 6 like that. So finally what is the name students? Come back to this one, orthohydroxybenzaldehyde, salicylaldehyde. This is what? Benzoic acid. COOH is nothing but orthohydroxybenzoic acid, salicylic acid. This is aldehyde, this is acid. Salicylic acid, 2-hydroxybenzoic acid. To save the time, I have written points, students. These are all most important, frequently asking questions. Next, para-hydroxybenzoic acid. See, this is 1 4 positions, no, para positions, para-hydroxybenzoic acid. Now next one. Next one, 1,3,5 trimethyl benzene. This is first position, this is second position, this is third position, and fourth position, fifth position, sixth position. 1,3,5 trimethyl benzene, what we call it as mesitylene. And this is phthalic acid. This is 1,2 benzene dicarboxylic acid, we call it as phthalic acid. Phthalic acid. See here, first position, second position, 1 2 benzene dicarboxylic acid, phthalic acid. And next 1 3 positions means isophthalic acid. 1 4 positions means terephthallic acid. Terephthallic acid. Clear? That's it. With this, frequently asking questions in exam point of view, I have covered. Who are studying for first year students, it may take time to understand all these things, but it is very useful video. And advanced program, definitely they will ask these questions, IUPAC names and common names, so all they are asking. Now next one, second year who are studying, for them also confusions is there. Some catechol, resorcinol, xylenes, quinol. So some confusions is there. Please go through this video. Everybody will get benefit. Next, naming of bicyclic compounds. This is also plays important role. Bicyclic means two cycle. Two rings are there. Bicyclic. How to give the naming? How to give the naming? See students, this is bridge one. Easily, very easy this one. Best shortcut I am giving here. What is this? This is bridge. I am coming like this and to cross to reach this bridge. This is one bridge, this is another bridge. So to cross, to reach this position, this point, how many points I am crossing? This is one bridge students, and this is another bridge. This bridge to this bridge, I am not jumping directly. I am moving in systematic way. How? See, you can take first one. This is bridge one. Okay, numbering you can give 2, 3. I have to cross 2 and I am reaching here 4. This is fifth one, sixth one. Okay, first I will write the name Bicyclo. Okay, here tell me bridge. Where it is bridge? First position and fourth position. How can I reach? If I go like this, I have to cross 2 carbons. If I go like this also, I have to cross 2 carbons. Then you can say 2 comma 2. If I go like this, there is no jump. There is no, what is this? We no need to cross anything. Direct jump it is 2 to 4. 2 to 0. Bicyclo 2 to 0. What is this finally? How many carbons? 6. Hexane. To understand more better, I am giving next example. Look into this students. Here this is bridge. Right? This is bridge. To reach this bridge, if I will jump like this, direct jump, 0. No need to cross any carbon. But if I will go like this, give numbering here also. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, next 8, 9, 10. 10 carbons means what we call it as decane. Okay. 1 and 6th. 1 and 6th position bridge is there. Okay, I am crossing 6 to 1 to 6. How can I come? 1 to 6. How can I come? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 I am crossing. Right? Bicyclo 4. If I will go 6th to 1, how many I have to cross? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 4 comma 4. 6th to 1, direct jump. 1 to 6, direct jump. 0. No carbons. That's it. This is what we call it as decane. Hope everybody clear. Now try to understand and try to do this one. Yes, this is the bridge. Can you give the numbering students? Yes. 1, 2, 3. Next tell me. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next to tell me what is the numbering here? Bicyclo. Yes. Bicyclo. You can write the name here. Bicyclo. Yes, first to 6th. How? 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons I am crossing. Next to 6th to 1. How many carbons I am crossing? 4 comma 2 comma 0 and 4 comma 2 comma 0 octane. That's it. Now can you give numbering of this one? See, this is 1. This is, okay, take it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 to 3. How many carbons? 1 carbon. 3 to 1. How many carbons? 1 carbon. That's it. Bicyclo. Tell me students. 1 comma 1 comma 0. We have to write descending order. 1 1 0, 4 4 0, 2 2 0 like this. 1 1 0 decane. 1 1 0 decane. Butane. 4 carbons only we have to write butane. Okay. First understanding it may take time, afterwards it is easy. Now check it students, what we have to write. Bicyclocarbons means first letter bicyclo we have to write. In brackets you have to write how many carbons you are crossing to reach the bridges, 2 bridges. That's it. Now write down here. This is 1. Okay, take it as 1. This is bridge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here. Before inside there is no link, but here link is there. Okay, now 1 to 4, 1 to 4, to reach first position to fourth position, how many carbons I am crossing? Right hand side 2, left hand side also 2, right? Now write down bicyclo. Yes students, can you tell what is the answer? 2 comma, this is 2 carbons I am crossing, here 2 carbons I am crossing, but here not direct jump, 1 carbon I am crossing. 2 comma 2 comma 1 heptane, 7 carbons heptane. Can you try this one? So see, 1, this is bridge, this is bridge. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That's it. Now write down bicyclo. How many? This bridge, first and fourth position bridge is there. To cross this one, here 2 carbons, here 2 carbons, here also 2 carbons. That's it. 2 comma 2 comma 2. What is this? Octane. Clear? That's it students. It's very easy. But structure seems to be big. But questioning and all, it's very easy. Solving questions, it feels very easy. Can you try this one? This is bridge. This is bridge. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next tell me 7. Now see, here how many carbons you are crossing? 2. Here 2. Here 1. That's it. That only we can write. Bicyclo 2 comma 2 comma 1 heptane. 2 comma 2 comma 1 heptane. This is bicyclic compounds. Next important nomenclature is students Spiro compounds. What is that? Spiro compounds. Spiro compounds means there is no bridges and all. There is no bridges. It's direct linkage. See here how to write. This is no bridges. No two bridges. Only one common bridge. One common bridge. One common bridge. One common. That is the difference between bicyclo and Spiro compounds. Only one bridge. Okay, here you can check it. 1, 2, 3, next 4, 5, yes, 6, 7. Write the name Spiro. This is Spiro. Next, how many carbons? This here, how many carbons? This is, you have to write ascending order. How many carbons? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here this position. Here 2 carbons. That's it. 4 comma 2. 1 second. 4 comma 2. Generally bicyclo compounds means descending order we are writing, but here we have to write ascending order. First 2 carbons lower number and second one higher number. 2 comma 4 heptane. That's it. Can you try this one students? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. 5 means pentane. Then what is this? Spiro. Yes, tell me. Here 2 carbons I am crossing. Here also 2 carbons. Same number, no problem. 2 comma 2 pentane. Right? Now next one. Next third one. That is last one in today's video. What is that? Spiro compound, only one bridge. Right? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. How many carbons I have to cross here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here how many carbons? 2. So we have to write, what is that? Ascending order, right? Spiro. Tell me. 2 comma 5 octane. That's it. These are Spiro compounds and bicyclic compounds, IUPAC nomenclature naming. It is very easy. Starting it may take time, but once you understood, that's why I have given many examples, nearly 7-8 examples I had given bicyclic compounds and 3 examples I had given here. Everybody check it and start working these questions and get benefit. And it is really useful video students. Thank you. Thanks for watching.